Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my October Boxycharm. So if you want to find out with me what's going to be in my box this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I know I'm like 2 weeks late on my Boxycharm unboxing, but I was out of the country for like a large part of this month, so I'm just getting to my box now. And then also I'm not going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing this month. I mean, it's already like almost November, but I'm not doing an Ipsy unboxing because my Glam Bag Plus was stolen from my doorstep while I was traveling. So unfortunate, and I did like look online to see what I got, and I actually would have really liked my bag, but hopefully somebody out there is liking my makeup that they stole from me. But anyways, so in my Boxycharm this month, I have the number 24. That's the number of my box. And then the weight is 1.08 pounds. So the first thing I see in here, there's actually a couple things that I already know that I like because I just took a look at the whole box. But the first thing that I saw was from the brand Touch and Soul. I actually really like this brand. And this is a glassy skin balm. I don't even know what that is, so let's see what's inside. I'm wondering if it's kind of like a dewy highlighter kind of product. This is very pretty packaging, and then inside it just says pretty filter glassy. Let's see. Ooh. There's like even more to unpackage here. Okay, so I feel like this is definitely like a primer or some kind of moisturizer. Let me see what it says on the box. Yeah, so it says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a smooth texture that melts into your skin. I am excited for this. I love primers. I love like really hydrating products. And it also smells really good as well. The moisturizer seems like it's like a little bit thicker, which I like too. I'm definitely going to be using this. I really like this package. It's very interesting. I really like Touch and Soul. They have the No Problem. I'll show you guys. I actually have it in my everyday makeup drawer. The No Problem primer. This is really good, and it's actually fairly affordable. I think it's like 20 bucks. And it feels like it's like the Hourglass primer or something. So I'm excited to try this out as well. And then the price of it is $32. So I'm definitely going to be using this pretty soon. I feel like I could use that as like a moisturizer and a primer. And then next up we have a lip gloss from Iconic London. I think I just have highlighter drops from them, but I do want to try more from them. And this is the Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. And this is like my favorite kind of lip color. I just love like a basic nude gloss all the time. Let's see. And it is a little bit more cool tone, which I like. And it does look like it's fairly opaque as well. I actually can put a little bit, I'm wearing like a ton of gloss already, but I feel like, yeah, it totally matches like the lip gloss I'm already wearing. I love getting lip colors that I would actually wear, and this one retails for $26. I believe Iconic London is also available at Ulta. I'm not sure if in stores, but I'm pretty sure they're online at Ulta. So next up we have another lip product. This is the lip liner pencil in the shade Hot Red. This is from Jante Blue. We've gotten some products from them before. This is kind of like another like filler product in my box for me. I feel like we get these lip liners from this brand like every other month, but this is just a red lip liner. It's like more of like a cool tone red liner for the one time every 4 months that I wear red lips. So I'm kind of indifferent about getting this lip liner just because I feel like I have so many of their lip liners. I feel like I get them all the time, and I don't really wear a lot of like super bold colors. And then next up, I think I already have, yes. This is actually something I already have and use all the time, so I will definitely save it for when I run out of it. It's from Paula's Choice, and this is their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. So I use this as a nighttime toner like a couple times a week. I actually really like this. It's really awesome. If you're breaking out or if you have like texture you want to like help with your skin, this is awesome. I don't find that it dries out my skin, and I do have drier skin, so really love this. It reminds me a lot of the Glow Tonic from Pixi. I actually rotate between both of those products. It's really similar. I've been using this for like 6 months, so I'm glad to have another backup because it's actually like one of my favorites in my collection, and I think this is also pricier as well. Let's see, the price point is $29.50. So it's actually kind of like mid-range. I actually thought it was gonna be like 40 or 50 bucks, but I guess for a toner it's not gonna be like super pricey, but this is actually really good from Paula's Choice. It's my favorite product from them. And then lastly, I'm excited about this last product because it's from Dose of Colors. It's an eyeshadow palette. And this is something I'm actually gonna use. So I have not tried any of the eyeshadows from Dose of Colors. I've actually tried like very few products from them. I'm excited. This is the Baked Browns palette, which has like just neutral brown shades, but of course I'm gonna wear those. This is a 5-pan palette. So these are 5 all matte brown shades. I wanna swatch a few of these. Like all of these I would absolutely wear. Like all of these are all my standard transition shades for sure. So I feel like I definitely use this palette in combination with like any other eyeshadow palette. I feel like, yes, these are like my favorite kind of like brown shades, and they actually swatch like super pigmented. Oh my gosh. They are really, really pigmented, and they feel like very creamy as well. So these are all 5 shades. That's actually really pretty. I know it's like the most basic thing ever, but this is what I wear on a daily basis. So I feel like this is one of those palettes I'll hit pan on. I've never tried Dose of Colors eyeshadows. I've been wanting to forever. I've always wanted to try those single shadows that they came out with last year, but definitely like out of all of their palettes, I would probably get the most use out of this one. So I'm excited for that. All right, so the eyeshadow palette definitely made the whole box worth it to me. It made me feel a lot better about my stolen Ipsy because this is something that I definitely would have like wanted to purchase anyways. And the eyeshadow palette retails for $32, so it's a lot more than the whole box. But that is everything in my box. I'll go ahead and let you guys know the value of my box this month. All right, so the value of my box this month is $124.50. I actually like calculated it twice because I'm like, I feel like this is worth a lot more. I feel like it's like $150, $160, but it just goes to show like it can be worth a little bit less, but it's the quality of the products that matter to me. This and this primer are like totally worth the whole box. It makes me super happy because I'm excited about both of these products the most, and the iconic lip gloss as well. The Paula's Choice, I've already tried that, but I use it all the time, so it's nice to have a backup. And then the lip liner actually only retails for $5, so I feel like this is just kind of like such a random product in the box. Everything else is like $25 to $35, and that's just like a random $5 product. But everything else is awesome in the box. This is actually one of my favorite boxes, I think, in the past couple months, especially because of the eyeshadow palette and then also the primer. All right, but that's everything in my box for this month. If you guys are curious about my makeup, I'm wearing the new Carly Bible Anastasia palette. I'm planning on filming a Get Ready With Me in the next couple days with this palette, so that will be coming up soon. I'm just getting back to filming after being gone for most of the month. This is the first video I filmed in like weeks, so back to like my regular schedule, probably starting next week. I'm just trying to catch up on life and work and everything, so you guys will be seeing that soon, and a bunch of new releases in the upcoming weeks as well. But that's gonna be everything for this video. If you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link with them, and that will be listed below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.